कोरोनाच्या महामारीमुळे पूर्ण देश थांबला आहे. शिक्षण ही अविरत चालणारी प्रक्रिया आहे. या महामारीमुळे ती थांबू शकत नाही आणि थांबविणेही योग्य नाही. गणित, विज्ञान यासारखे विषय पाठांतराने न समजण्याजोगे आहे. म्हणूनच चला तर शिकूया हसत खेळत गणित, सहज आणि सोप्या पद्धतीने माझ्याबरोबर. माय इन्स्पायरेशन Dr. Karmavir Bhaurav Patil and Vahini's. So let us start the today's lesson. Firstly, I introduce to myself. New English School Pargaon, Mr. Bhor Bhagwan Bhavan. Dear students, let us start the subject algebra quadratic equation for standard 10th. We have to discuss about the earlier morning lecture, the quadratic equations and their the standard form. What is the standard form of the quadratic equations? Okay, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of the quadratic equation. And today's lesson we have to discuss about the methods of solving the quadratic equations. There are three methods. Firstly, the factorization method, in Marathi अवयव पद्धत. Second is the completing square method, पूर्ण वर्ग पद्धती. And last one, that means third method, is the formula method, सूत्र पद्धती. So discuss about the first method, factorization method. Example, solve the quadratic equation x square plus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0 by the methods of factorization. So that equation can be written in the form of standard form, that means ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That's the firstly x square plus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0. In that equations, the three terms are there. First term is the x square, second term, that means middle term, is the 8x, and the last term is the 15. So the middle term is the 8x. That means that 8x can be divided in two factors. We have to also see two factors in the terms of 3x and 5x. Got it? That means the middle term at x can be factorized the two factors 3x and 5x. So that given equation can be written in the form of x square plus 3x plus 5x plus 15 is equal to 0. The product of 3x and 5x is the 15. That means 3 and 5 product is the 15, and 3x plus 5x is the addition or subtraction is the 8x. So in this equation, firstly 2 divides the group, that means x square plus 3x, and second group is the 5x plus 15. So in first group, firstly the x is the common factor of x square plus 3x, and remaining factor is the x plus 3. And similarly we have to find the common factors for second group, that means 5x plus 15. The 5 is the common factor of 5x plus 15, and remaining is the x plus 3. So that equation can be written in the form of x in bracket x plus 3 plus 5 in bracket x plus 3 bracket close is equal to 0. So in this equation, x plus 3 and x plus 3 again a one common bracket, so written in singular form x plus 3, and remaining term can be written in the another bracket x plus 5. So two brackets, that means product of two bracket is equal to 0. That means the first bracket is also 0 in the form of x plus 3 is equal to 0, or x plus 5 is equal to 0. Is the meaning of product of two bracket is equal to 0, that is the x plus 3 is the first bracket and x plus 5 is the second bracket. these two brackets are also 0. So we can get, solve these equations, x plus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3. So plus 3 get minus 3, and here again similarly plus 5 is get the minus 5. That is, the roots of given equations are minus 3 and minus 5. So in this way solve the equations by the factorization method. See another examples. Solve quadratic equations x square minus 13x plus 30 is equal to 0 by the factorization method. Students, we have to firstly write down the equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of the quadratic equation. So the given equation is the x square minus 13x plus 30 is equal to 0. We have to already told that the middle term can be factorized. Middle term is the minus 13. Can you got it? The middle term is minus 13x. So minus 13 can be divided in two factors. The two factors, the products of two factors are 30, and the addition or subtraction can be get the minus 13. So the two factors are get minus 10 and minus 3, and x is the variable of that equation. So the equation can be written in the form of x square minus 10x minus 3x plus 30 is equal to 0. So the minus 10 and minus 3 addition minus 13, and the product of two factors, that means minus 10 multiplied by minus 3, we can get the plus 30. That is the satisfaction of the two factors. So we have to satisfy these factors. The written in the equation x square minus 10x minus 3x plus 30 is equal to 0. That the first two terms are the categorized, that means group of two terms, and another two terms can be group, that means first group and second group. In first group x is the common factor and remaining term is the x minus 10. Again similarly that process can be followed by the second group, that means in 3x plus 30 the common factor is minus 3 and the remaining is the x minus 10. Then again in these steps the x minus 10 and the x minus 10, the bracket is same, so we can get the x minus 10 is the common and remaining is the x minus 3, and these two brackets, product of two brackets are is equal to 0. That means x minus 10 first bracket is 0, or is the condition x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x minus 10 is equal to 0, that means x is equal to 10 minus 10, we can get the plus 10. That means change the side, minus 10 can be on the LHS, we can write the RHS, so minus 10 can get the plus 10. Similarly in this way x minus 3 is equal to 0, what happens are there, x is equal to 3. Very good. That means the roots of given equations are 10 and 3. That is the roots of the quadratic equation. In this way solve by the factorization method. Again show the another examples, and that is one, x square minus 5x minus 36 is equal to 0. This equation can be solved by the factorization method in, we have to told about the earliest. The x square minus 5x minus 36 is equal to 0. What is the factors of minus 5x? That means middle term is the minus 9x and plus 4x. So x square minus 9x and 4x plus 36 is the groups. In this first group x is the common and remaining term is x minus 9. In similarly 4x plus 36, what happens are there, 4 is the common, okay, and remaining term is the x plus 10. So x minus 9 and okay sorry for the x minus 9 here, now x minus 9. So x minus 9 and x plus 4, these two bracket is equal to 0. That means x minus 9 is equal to 0 and x plus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 9 or x is equal to minus 4. What happens are there? Minus 9 get plus 9 and plus 4 get minus 4. That means finally the roots of given quadratic equations are 9 and 4. Can you got it? Okay. To see the next slide, the exercise. So solve the following quadratic equation by the factorization. It is our homework. The x square plus 10x plus 24 is equal to 0. Second example, x square minus 17x plus 60 is equal to 0. And third one is the x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. You have to solve by the factorization method and find out the roots of that quadratic equation. Can you understand? Okay. Do you like this the channel to follow me and subscribe me and vote me? Okay. Thank you.